Okay. Oh, it looks as if I'm missing a button. I have a few options. I could pay someone to get it fixed, probably overpriced, or I could just throw away the piece of clothing altogether. But instead, I'm just going to fix it by myself. So sewing is affordable, and it also is convenient and very fulfilling. It also lays the foundations for hand sewing altogether. And there's minimal supplies, which is another great reason to sew. So what you need are a pair of scissors, your piece of clothing, a threaded needle, and the button of your choice. The first thing you're going to do when attaching it is find your button, place it over where you want it on the shirt, and I've chosen to use a different color thread just so it's easier to see. But so yeah, once you've placed your button, you're going to start taking your threaded needle through the back of your fabric, and I've drawn on the board just like the order of which I'm going to go so it's easier to follow. So you're going to pull the string up through 1 and then diagonal over to 2, and you'll be back at the bottom. So I'm just going to pull that through.
10th graders, last names beginning with I through L.
Then you're going to pull it up through 3.
10th graders, last names I through L. Go to the health office now.
And over to 4, and you'll be back at the bottom. And this is the pattern you're going to keep doing throughout. And you're going to do this probably 3 times. That's like the magic number throughout this speech you'll get to see. But so as I'm doing this, I'm just going to tell you guys a little bit more about how I started, like I learned how to do this. One day I had a torn shirt with a button missing, and I asked my mom if she could fix it, and she was like, it's not hard at all, you can just do it on your own. So she taught me, and I'm glad that I did it, because now if I'm ever in college and I need to do it, or just at home, I can fix it. A lot of people feel that it's like a female's job to fix clothing almost, so I think it's great for all genders to know how to do this. So as I finished through my 3rd routine of this, I guess, and then we'll begin cinching it off. Okay, so now we've gone through the X pattern about 3 different times, and you should be back at the back of the fabric. So now you're going to take your needle up beside the button, but not through one of the holes, just kind of underneath it so you can hide it. Pull it up and then wrap it. Like I said, 3 times is like your magic number, so pull that around the button 3 times. And then just on the other side, pull it underneath, but not through a hole, like I said. And now your button should be attached. Next thing you're going to do is cut near your needle. And you're going to have just a long piece of thread. And you're going to just create a few knots, probably 3, like I said. So let's see. Okay, so now I'm just going to cut near the button, and yeah, I think this is a great thing to learn how to do for all different genders. It's super affordable, and it takes nearly no time at all, and most importantly, it's functional. So thank you guys for listening, and I challenge you to do this sometime.